poster that's showing us some of the volcanologist tools. Okay? Checking for heat, checking for tilt, checking for gases, and that's what they use the light for. Okay? If the magma is under the ground, and when the volcano is going to erupt, it's getting closer to the surface, right? Do you think the surface temperature on the ground might rise as well? Do you think if something that's really hot starts getting closer to the surface, that the surface would get warmer? Yeah. So scientists can measure the temperature on the surface or a little bit below the surface and see if they can predict that there's going to be an eruption. Measure tilt?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, so he has the helmet and there's the intercom.
Oh, he's got an intercom on his helmet. That's awesome.
And then he made these armor pads. So
knee pads and elbow pads, because you never know what's going on in a volcano.
Now you know.
Awesome. Thank you. Team number 4.
And the volcano's erupting. That's why it has a sign. And there's getting bad and okay and good.
The gauge is for what's it measuring?
It's measuring like how bad like eruption, like if it's going to be, like you put all your data into it, and then it tells, like it adds all the data together and tells what kind of eruption, if it's bad.
Wow.
This really isn't like for it. The suit is just like so it's safer for her to go out there. It's not.
In Cuba, they have issues with something called a hurricane. Say hurricane.
Hurricane.
Can someone tell me what a hurricane? Go ahead.
A hurricane is like a tornado forming into water, only though it's made of water.
Yeah, it definitely has like that circular pattern, but it's in the water. What else do you know about a hurricane, Cooper?
It's usually bigger than a tornado.
Okay, definitely. What else?
If you stand in the eye of a hurricane, everything is calm.
Yeah. Does the eye of a hurricane actually see?
No.
No, it's just the very center, and it's very calm in the center. You are.
And all this is whoosh.
Yeah, you guys know a lot about hurricanes. Tell me more. Listening. Okay, so listen to this. This is kind of a fun fact on hurricanes. Every year they name every hurricane that happens. Every big storm, they name them. And they start with hurricane, and it's a name that starts with an A, and then the second one starts with a B, and the third name starts with a C, and every other year it switches. So the first year, all the names are girl names, and then the next year, all the names will be boy names, and then they switch back and forth. Isn't that interesting?
The duck checker's almost finished. Here's what you can do today. You can go with one of the leadership interns, and you can go to the recyclable room and see if you can find something to make a structure. Your structure is going to be put in front of the pool so that when somebody's shooting their duck tomorrow, if they knock that structure over, they can earn extra points. If you knock your own structure over, you can earn extra points.
Did you guys name your dog?
Lily.
Lily, that's a cool name.
Okay. Duct tape like the whole cup. Yeah, because it's a duck chunk.
Are you guys gonna test it today, right?
Yeah, we're gonna test this.
You guys aren't gonna have to do anything tomorrow. You guys are just gonna be able to come in here and relax.
Give me about scissors.
What did you guys say?